In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a footer to your Google site. This is a simple yet effective way to enhance the look and functionality of your website. Whether you're managing a personal blog, a portfolio, or a site for your business, adding a footer can provide visitors with quick access to useful information or links to other parts of your site. It's a great tool to utilize, especially if you're aiming to create a more professional and user-friendly online presence. Let's start this easy guide by heading over to your Google site. If you need to, you can open a new tab in your browser and log into your account where your site is located. Once you're there, ensure you have the editing mode open so you can make changes. It's essential to have editing privileges, as this process involves making direct modifications to your site. Now navigate down to the very bottom of your page. This is the area where we're going to focus our efforts. Once you're at the bottom of your page, you'll notice a subtle option appear, a small prompt labeled Add Footer. Hover over that area and this prompt should become visible. Go ahead and click on Add Footer. This action will open up a section that allows you to start creating your footer. When adding content to your footer, think about the information that would be beneficial to display across all pages of your site. Common elements for a footer include contact information, social media links, privacy policy links, or even a brief about your site. Remember, the goal is to provide seamless navigation and enhance the usability of your website. As you add elements, take advantage of the editing tools to customize the look and feel to match your site's branding. You can adjust fonts, colors, and even layout to make sure it complements your existing design. Once you've added everything you need, double-check to ensure all links work properly and that the information is accurate. This is a crucial step because the footer will be visible on each page, so consistency and correctness are key. And there you have it. You're all done with adding a footer to your Google site. You've just increased the professionalism and user-friendliness of your site by making essential information readily available in a location that visitors will naturally glance at. This small step plays a big role in creating an engaging and comprehensive user experience. Thanks for following along and happy designing.